Hello everyone. There is a new video how to do competitor analysis means uh, you are doing some kind of SEO work or you have a website on uh, interview questions or digital marketing whatever niches it is, and you wanted to see how are you doing by comparing yourself with your competitors. So you pick up your competitor. You can search your competitor from in means you come into organic research and see your competitor, and then one by one you open competitor and check out either they are really competing to you or not. So I have manually picked this website interview baba. They are targeting so many relevant keyword to us, or their website goal is almost same like us. So here I am comparing myself and finding keyword gap that I have still not tabbed for my website, and my competitor already have a good position for those keywords. So here is we have 42 shared keywords, uh, means we both have organic position on Google search for these 42 keywords. There are 1,600 keywords that those are missing from us. We are not working or we haven't worked on those keywords. So these are the suggestions that we should work on these keywords. And then there is untapped keyword that we must should work on these keyword. So they are missing keyword, untapped keywords are same. So SEMrush is telling us that we should tap or target these keyword, work on these keyword as well, because our competitor already have good position on these keyword. 15 means we can rearrange them. Yeah, here the competitor is ranking on 1, 2, 3, so many keywords on top 10. So these are the keywords. They are also quick win or easy keyword. So we must should consider to target these keyword. This is how you can compare your website with your competitor, and SEMrush will easily help you to identify your gap, your keyword gap, that you are not already working on those keywords, and SEMrush will help you to uh, work on those keywords.